Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to cancel your ManyChat subscription. Whether your needs have changed or you're just taking a break, I'll guide you step by step to ensure the process is simple and stress-free. Make sure you have your login credentials, and Password Manager can help you log in quickly and securely. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where you'll manage your account details. Within Settings, click on the Billing tab. Here, you'll find all the information about your subscription and payment plans. Click on the Cancel Subscription option. ManyChat will ask why you're canceling. Just select a reason from the drop-down and feel free to add a short explanation if you'd like to provide feedback. After entering your reason, click Next, then confirm by selecting Cancel My Subscription. Double-check everything to ensure it's correct before finalizing. Subscription changes like this must be done through the ManyChat website, not the mobile app, so if you're using your phone, make sure you're in a browser. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your ManyChat Pro subscription. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.